all-natural rocks with calcium carbonate as the main component can be used to produce lime, with ball press processing. Lime powder ball pressing machine has the advantages of strong extrusion capacity, not easy to wear, long service life and so on, and the equipment can be normal for a long time, high-speed stable operation and so on, and is favored by the majority of users. The equipment is widely used in metallurgical chemical industry, coal and refractory materials and other industries. In the pressing process, add adhesive and raw materials mixing evenly, then through the roller extrusion, the lime powder pressing forming rate can be up to 100%. The machine can press a variety of shapes of pellets by pressing the ball mechanism for forming materials, energy saving, and environmental protection, easy to transport, can effectively improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.